The very first day I had that hail gun, I shot the same shingle 8 or 9 times with the same size hail at the same speed, and I had 8 or 9 different size hail impact marks on that same shingle.
Yeah.
Which is crazy because they're measuring these things and saying, well, that's not consistent with 1.5 inch hail. That's not consistent with 2 inch hail. That must be an older storm. No, it totally could be. That 1.75 inch mark or hail stone that I shot at it hit a certain spot on that roof or on that shingle that made it a 3 inch hail mark. It doesn't mean that it wasn't consistent with 1.75 inch hail. It just happened to hit exactly the right spot to be able to allow that kind of damage to occur.